Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, then you for staying with me. Let's pack an order. So my customer, oh my god, this customer is a returning customer. She always comes back for more like Turarenwuta. This is Sandal chips and sandal bros, which is Nawara, and then Simrai sandal. I came here. Okay, I made a video on this Simrai sandal, and a lot of you are ordering it. Thank you so much, guys, for ordering this Simrai sandal. As a woman, you know you need this Simrai sandal, so I made this sandal balls, and I filmed the recipe, the process, and yeah, everything in between. And I said I should just come on here and ask you guys, do you want to see the video of the sandal balls? If you want to see the sandal balls recipe, just comment in the comment section, and inshallah, if I'm convinced enough with the comments, I will drop a video. These sandal balls, oh my god. Alhamdulillah, on the yeah, tahuta, because it's not easy. Like Alhamdulillah, I am so grateful to Allah for giving me the talent and the skill, because it's everything combined. Like to play around with all these oils and create amazing scents using age long like recipe and like um inherited recipe and steps and processes is not easy. Like it's not easy. So I'm always grateful to Allah. Thank you, my customer, for ordering this beautiful burner and this Turarenwuta. So I see, as you all know, guys, I mentioned that I was going to learn like this traditional skincare stuff. I got a teacher from Chad that taught me traditional skincare, and I said I should just like pack it. Initially I wanted to like be doing it like the full skincare, but then I have a lot of international customers that want to try my product, so I just packed it in this little pouch so that it can be affordable. I also made body milk khumra. The recipe I will drop in the description box. I always make this because it's a bestseller, and then my customer ordered for 2 liters of my body milk because she said she cannot go a day without the body milk after shower. Mostly, I tell my customers use it after shower. She also ordered some zuchi and halut which I was making for her, and these are just some of the reviews that I've gotten this January from students of my Turarenwuta advanced class. Amazing, amazing reviews. I'm so happy because like it's not easy to teach somebody something and you see that person like succeeding in that aspect. Like it's so amazing, and I thank Allah for using me to impact this beautiful knowledge to women all over the world. And I'm seeing them making like amazing content and amazing products, like heavenly scented products. Like when my students send me their products, I just smile. Sometimes I just feel like like I don't even know how to explain it, but like I'm just filled with joy and happiness, and like I just feel so happy and proud because like it's not easy. They have amazing products. Like all my students, if they use the recipe, they always tell me if they use my recipe, their customers come back for more, and a lot of people love like what they are making. So this my beautiful student, she is so hardworking. She's in Ghana. She made this beautiful video showing me the process of like how she makes her khumra, and this is so amazing and beautiful. Like from looking at this, you know, this khumra is not like the regular khumra. And then this student too also sent me these videos and pictures of her trying water. Like there are a lot. I cannot merge all their videos in one, like I cannot merge everything together, but here are some amazing one. And this my beautiful my beautiful students from Dubai too sent me this video showing me the process she used to create the glue oil, which I taught in the class. This glue oil, I call it makhmaria, I call it glue oil, I call it dukhan glue oil, I call it um body beauty oil, like whatever you want to call it, you can call it. But if you follow this recipe, trust me, you are going to get an amazing result. You're going to love the result. Your customers are going to love the result, and you will watch yourself glow like a sun.
Assalamu alaikum, coach. I want to
Yeah.
show you the final result of the oil. It has settled. It has been more than 2 weeks as I make it. So everything has settled down. So now I'm going to transfer them to this small bottle. Yes, small bottle for it's easy to put on the face. So this is it as you can see. Yeah. So this is it. Then I also wanted to show this one. I make the body scrub, but I do not have the other second turmeric. So I use only the turmeric that I had, which is this one is also a cosmetic turmeric, herbal, honey herbal turmeric cosmetic here in UAE. I use their turmeric powder. Then because their turmeric powder is also very good for body scrub. Then I use potato, but the problem now is that my own potato was not black like yours. So I don't know if I do not do it well. This is the potato. I parboil it, and then I dry it and I grind it, but it came out like this. So this is how I got it. So maybe you tell me why my own did not also come black. So I use the potato, I use henna, I use sandalwood, I use sugar, then I use turmeric. So this is it. Now I please want to know, what am I going to use to mix it, why I want to apply it, because I'm going to try it. This is a sample. I'm going to try this one. This is one I'm going to try. Is here, and this is the sample. So if it's good, then I'll put it out for market. Thank you. So please, I need your correction.
This is my first customer, my first traditional skincare customer, and I am applying Khalta on her body. I made a full process video for my customers, the people that will order this Khalta and my Dilke scrub. I will be sharing the video, the full video, like the full detailed video for them, so that they can use the video and they can use it. It's just like a process video, yeah, like how to apply the Khalta and the Dilke and how to do the Hadokhan. So this is just Khalta and a little bit of like oil and yeah, I mix this Khalta with hot water, like very very hot water, and then I let it sit for some minutes until it's so smooth and it can be easily applied. You can see my own paste is very very watery because I like doing it watery because after applying this Khalta, I will be applying the next product, which is the Dilke. The Dilke is a very very good exfoliator and it gives that nice shine. The Dilke also does not leave your skin very dry because it has oil in it, and you can add your own oil of your choice. Because sometimes some people don't like some people use some kind of oils on their body. Not everybody use same oil, so you can see like this is just using this Dilke for the first time. You can see the glow. You can see like it gently exfoliate, like I said, and it also has amazing properties like carrots and potatoes, so, and also coffee, and it's a little bit scented. Don't worry, it doesn't smell awful, it doesn't smell bad. And I also made some gub gub. I think I've shown you guys this video. I made this gub gub months ago and I haven't had time to pack this gub gub. This is me packing this gub gub now, and from a liter of Turarenwuta. For those of you asking what quantity will a liter give you, this is the quantity a liter of Turarenwuta will give you. So after doing the Dilke process on my first customer, she did the bridal dukhan, and look at the glow, guys. This is just one time using the product. Imagine if you use it for weeks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in my next one. Bye. Don't forget to like, share these videos with your friends and family, and comment what kind of videos you would love to see next.